was born and raised in Fort Myers, and this building is a landmark to me because even as a child, growing up, back in the day, we were able to walk wherever we needed to go because our town was small, and of course it was much safer. And we would walk. In fact, across the street from here was our theater, the Grand Theater. And of course we would walk to the movies, and we'd always see McCollum Hall, and it was just like an icon for us. And I remember on the end of the McCollum Hall here was a men's store, Styland Men's Store. And I think that was about the only business at that particular time here. But in the early days, I used to hear about McCollum Hall with Count Basie coming and Duke Ellington coming, and of course I was a child, so I wouldn't have been able to be a part of that anyway. But to me, it's a staple in our community. I would love to see a restaurant, maybe even, I love the art on the walls on the outside. And I was thinking, it would be nice if we had a place maybe for an art gallery. I'm happy to see McCollum Hall is still here and existing, and I can't wait to see what's going to be in this particular building and how we'll be able to utilize it.